1, 2, 3. Okay, now it should be okay. Let me know, guys, if you can hear me. Thank you that you let me know about the issue. So let me start again. Welcome to our live trading session, guys. Today is Friday, so it's good day for trading. Hopefully, we're gonna go through the microeconomic calendar to see what's going on today. Yesterday was pretty good day. I thought I'm gonna make some more money, but yesterday trade, on the second session, I've set pending order and the price went down. Trade was activated. Today the price got to the full take profit, but I closed position yesterday because I couldn't watch that trade anymore. So I closed it with the profit of 6,000, $7,000. Okay, so I think it's pretty good. The full take profit was for 10,000, but I think 6,000, 7,000, it's not too bad anyway. So the plan was very good. We were late a little bit to enter the position, so I've set pending order in this place. You can see the price went up. Then the price dropped down. The trade was activated, and they went straight up. So good day. That's why we are looking for the best setup. Sometimes I'm not opening positions if there is nothing interesting on the market. It's better to wait. One good trade can give us, like here, $7,000. So sometimes it's better to wait. Everything is all right. Good. My fault. Sorry. No problem. Now I hear you double. Okay. Let's check that out. Why you hear me double? No, it should be fine. It should be fine. Let me know if you still hear me double. So let's have a look at yesterday plan. Got my trading journal right here. We got gold price. Sorry, this is ASCP strategy. I'm just waiting for the candle to close above resistance line, or it might be better if the price will drop lower to grab some liquidity, and then I want to see strong reaction of buyers. Let's have a look. That was a plan. If the price will break through, we should enter the position. I didn't enter here. I've set pending order few pips lower, and the price went straight up. I thought they're gonna go straight up to the target, but fortunately, the price came back down. Position was activated. I didn't get to full take profit. I took my profit over here, $7,000. So I think this trade was pretty good. Today, the price got to the full target. So if you could hold your positions till today, you would be in profit, full take profit. 1 second. So what's going on here? Okay, so let's look for some more opportunities today. Another day, let's check microeconomic calendar and let's see what's going on today. Today is 5th of December, and we are looking at high impact news. Everything in red color is high impact, okay? So we got 2:30 p.m. Central East Time, so in about employment rate in Canada. So that may affect currency pairs related to Canadian dollars. So we need to watch for that. And also, we need to include that in our trading plan. 4 p.m. Later on, we got in United States core PCE price index, uh, consumer sentiment, inflation expectations. So this is important because it's in red color, so it's high impact news. Remember, do not trade before high impact news or doing high impact news because that may lead to losses, or maybe you can even lose your account. So you don't want to do that. So better to close positions before uh, and try to find some setups maybe for 30 minutes after the news. Okay. So 2:30 and 4 p.m. Central East Time. But before that, we don't have anything important. So we got plenty of time to enter the position. So let's move to the charts and let's look for some targets. Okay. We're going to start from Euro USD and the price is dropping down. Good. Good, good, good. Okay, Euro USD. Now we're gonna go to 1 hour time frame. Mm, delete. Let me just check the chat. It's okay. All right. Everything is okay. Good. Few clusters. Okay. Where are the targets? This one here, it's very far away. It's on the other side of rotation channel, big rotation channel from 4 hour time frame. So we cannot use that, not today, but we got one target which is around 35 pips. Can we get there today? Let's check average trading range during previous days. We got 60 pips, 39, 68. So basically we can get there 50 pips. We already done 30. Yeah, it's around 60 pips uh, from this morning, and now we got 36 pips to our target. So let's make a plan. Right here, you can see some kind of support resistance zone where we might have situation that the price will drop here and we're going to retest this area and we're going to have a chance to enter the position, plenty of space, but we need to add few other things. So slowly, step by step. Let's go to 4 hour time frame. I'm going to remove the mm, uh, indicator. I'm going to remove that as well. So like you can see over here, the price is moving in some kind of rotation channel, okay? So we are in bullish market structure. That's for sure or not for sure? Uh, oh, we got two candles opposite direction. The body is not clear. I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna leave it. I don't think the market structure changed over here. Um, I think it's still bullish. So let's stick to the bullish mm, market structure. The price is moving up, which is good. So 1 hour time frame, the latest support resistance zone is right over here. So you can see reactions, breakout, retest, reactions. So we are on this side again, and the price is dropping down. Price is dropping down where? If we're gonna have reaction at this area, we're gonna add some other things. We might have a chance to go up, but if the price gonna break through, there is a chance we're gonna get to the bottom of rotation channel, and maybe after, maybe next week, we're gonna go back up again. So let's add targets. Previous day, week, and month high and low. This is pretty good. I'm gonna leave previous day and previous month. Previous week we don't need because it's somewhere down the bottom. I'm gonna leave previous month high because it's close to this area. Basically, I can extend that area right here. So previous month high. We are waiting for retest of exponential moving average maybe, but we need to find out if we got any clusters. We got cluster at previous month high. So let the price drop to that area. It would be better if we're gonna drop a little bit lower. I want to go into lower time frame. Maybe we're gonna find better entry. Okay. So we are talking about this area. This is support resistance zone. This is cluster and previous month high. I want to check something. Yeah, and the cluster is at level 61.8, which is quite good. We're gonna drop down here and we're gonna see reaction of buyers. The price will close above this cluster here and exponential moving average. We might have a chance to open the position. Plenty of space, guys. If we're gonna do it from 15 minutes time frame, 1, 2, 3 to 1, we can do. We can also do 2 to 1. We can put bigger stop loss just in case, and we can still get 2 to 1 with bigger stop loss or like 20 pips, and we should be safe. But we need to know that if the price will get to the next cluster, right here, we need to secure the trade because there is possibility that the price will drop lower. Okay, see you later, Michael. See you later, Michael. Okay, so it might be good. Might be good idea for the trade. It's 15 minutes time frame. Okay. The setup is very simple. All in ASAP strategy is not complicated. So I'm not looking at things like imbalances or different kind of stuff, volume levels and all the other things. We're just looking at the market structure. Where is the target? Because there is possibility that the target will get here. I know this is old target, but these old targets are working as well. So don't worry, we should get there. 15 minutes time frame. Okay. Let's make a plan and let's put that in trading journal. So we might see reaction right here. We will see, but the best option for me is to drop lower. And I want to see reaction right here. Then we can set stop loss and take profit 2 to 1. So I'm gonna risk 1%, half percent to get 1%. Okay, this might work pretty well. Let me just make a screenshot, and we're gonna put that in trading journal because later we're gonna review if this trade worked or not. Hopefully, we're gonna enter the position on this session. Okay, we got Forex Factory, Trading Journal, all in ASAP strategy. Today is the 5th of December. Okay, we are looking at Euro USD, 15 minutes time frame. We got the screenshot. So I'm waiting for the price to retest support and resistance zone. And after reaction, after the zone with a risk to reward 1 to 2 and stop loss under the support and resistance zone. If the price won't get to full take profit before 2 p.m., I will close the position because we have some high impact news at 2:30 p.m. Okay, so we know the plan. uh, okay, let's go back into the charts and let's see what's going on. They're dropping down, which is good, very good. We check Asian session. Oh, hmm. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen. If the price will break through this support resistance zone, there is a chance we're gonna go lower. Okay, so we will have to wait for another setup. Let's leave it for now. I'm gonna go to GBP USD. Let's check for daily targets. It's something similar on GBP USD because uh, the Euro USD and GBP USD they usually work together. So mm, chart may look similar. Okay, chart may look similar. Do you want? Can we use this target? It's 61 pips. I don't want to look for the trade now. The price is far away from exponential moving average, and I'm not gonna open two trades, like one on euro, one on British pound. No. If I'm gonna open on euro, I will stick to the euro. So let's leave GBP. Let's move to the next one. 1 second. Too many things on the chart. Volume edge. We don't need that. Trading session can stay. Volume. We don't need that. Okay, let's check it out. Where this FIBO came from. Mm, come on. Okay. All right, 1 hour time frame, and what we have over here, it's looking pretty good. Look at that. Price came out of the rotation channel. We got retest of this rotation channel, so there is a chance the price will go higher. And that's good. That is good. Where is the target? Right here. How far are we? 8 pips. We cannot use that. This one is only 12 pips, so we cannot use that. Maybe this one. We can check if we can set order for reaction. Why not? Let's check if we got any clusters. No clusters, unfortunately. Okay. All right. If we don't have any clusters, previous day, week, month. Mm, 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 mm. What is the market structure from 4 hour time frame? The market structure from 4 hour time frame, it's still bearish. I know we are breaking through the rotation channel, but we are still bearish. We need to break through the last uh, swing high, which is right here. So first we need to break through, then we can think about bullish position. So at this moment, I would say no, because we are bearish from higher time frame. So I don't want to look for positions to go up. If we are in bearish uh, trend, we may look for the price to come back into the rotation channel, and maybe we're gonna have a chance to get to this target. But first, we need to go back over here. Okay, so we're gonna have a look at that trade later on, maybe during US session. All right. So let's keep that. I don't want to miss anything, so let's move forward. USD CAD. The price, I think, is dropping down. Yes, we are in bearish market structure. We got target, which is down here, but we got some problems. We got something on the way. First of all, we are in some kind of resistance zone. So the price is reacting at this zone and we cannot break through. Okay. We can look for the trades if we're going to drop a little bit lower. Let's check previous day high and low. This is also previous week low and previous month low. Strong area. You can see it's reacting. Previous day I'm going to remove for now. And let's check if we got any clusters. Cluster right here. Okay. And let's check if we got any rotation channel. First two swings, and here it's working perfectly. I think we'll have to leave it like this. We got one reaction here, another one here, let's say over here as well. Okay, it's looking not too bad, I would say, with some undershoot. But if we want to think about this target, which is around the bottom, let's check. Okay, there is a reaction. Good. USD CHF, USD CAD. So we can try to get to the target, which is lower, but first I want to see the price to break through. The best if we're gonna get under this low right here, because probably we might have reaction. There is some kind of liquidity zone. I know we are not using liquidity in this strategy because this strategy is very simple, but there is some liquidity over here. So if the price will drop here, we might see reaction and we're gonna look for the retest of this support resistance zone. This is quite strong. You can see some reactions at this support resistance zone. Fake breakout. That was fake breakout. And they are trying to break through again. So if we are able to break through, we're gonna wait for the retest. Nice strong candle. If we're gonna be able to add a trend line over here, that would be great. And after the breakout, we can set order, hopefully 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio to get to the target. But we need to get to the other side of support resistance zone, and we're not gonna open it here. We need to wait for the retest. Okay. So if the price is breaking through this kind of support resistance zones, they usually retest it. Okay. Most of the time, if the price is breaking through, do not enter the position. Wait for the retest. The price should come back, and then reaction is gonna be much better entry, and you will avoid fake breakouts like this one here. Because some of the traders thought, okay, we are breaking through, so we're gonna drop down, right? People enter position here and the price boom, and stop losses under the support sorry, above the support resistance zone, so they cut some stop losses right here. So don't do that. Do not enter too early. It's better to wait. Okay, I told you yesterday also, plan, do not take too much time to make a plan for a day, but the worst part is waiting for the perfect entry, for the perfect candle, for the perfect situation. So we know, we always make a plan and then we need to wait, see what's going on. If anything is changing, maybe we need to change the plan. So let me just make a screenshot. I'm going to put that in trading journal. Copy. Okay. Trading journal. We are on USD CAD 1 hour time frame. Price needs to break through support and resistance zone. Then we'll wait for the retest and strong reaction of sellers. The best is to wait for the candle to close from 1 hour time frame. Okay, risk to reward should be like 1 to 2. Depends of the size of the candle. It might be 1 to 1.5. We will see what the conditions gonna be. So we got planned for USD CAD 1 hour time frame. Okay, let's go to the next one. What's going on with euro? Euro is reacting. Reaction is good at previous week high. Very good. We might have a chance to open position very soon. 61.8. Good. Very good. It's looking good, but we got at least 15 minutes time frame because this candle is about to close in 1 minute time. Then if we're gonna have next candle like this, we're gonna try to go up. So we need to wait at least 15 minutes, okay? Because this is 15 minutes time frame. If you are trading for 1 hour time frame, you know how much time you have, because if you are waiting for the candle to close from 1 hour time frame, you might know that you still got 40 minutes time. So you can do whatever you like. You can read the book, you can do some other stuff. You can go, I don't know, shopping, anything. You got 40 minutes for the candle to close. So you don't need to look every 2 minutes for this candle if you are trading from 1 hour time frame. You know that this candle will close in 40 minutes, so you got 40 minutes time. So do not stare at the charts 24 hours a day, because that doesn't make sense, and you will enter setups you shouldn't enter. 1, 2 positions a day, enough for the day. The best way is to stick to 1 position a day. Trust me. If you're gonna set the limit for 1 position a day, trust me that you will pick the best setup you can, because you know you can place only one trade. So if you are not sure about the setup, you know you won't enter the position because you know you can only open one. So if you can only open one, you will look for the best setup. So it's good to set limits like this. Okay. What is next? What is next? USD JPY, they got to the target already. 80 pips, quite far away. Let's jump into 4 hour time frame. I'm gonna catch the first swing. It doesn't work really. We need to change, maybe on the other side it's gonna be better. Let's check this side. This side is working much better. Let's try to put it on the other side. Okay, we will have to do it like this. Okay, I'll leave it like that for now. And we are getting close to the top of this rotation channel. Okay, so we got some kind of rotation channel. We are in bearish market structure, that's for sure. And so let's move to 1 hour time frame and let's see what can we do from this kind of time frame. So what's going on the charts? We had some low over here. Price got to this area above reaction. Another low, strong reaction. So probably they were taking some liquidity from these lows and the price is moving now up. Okay, that's for sure. Let's check the targets. Targets under the price, previous day, week high and low. Okay, we got some kind of zone over here, previous week low and previous day high. It's outside the rotation channel, so it's not the best area. Okay, so where we got support resistance zone. This one didn't work. What else? For sure, this one here, it was working. You can see the price is breaking through this kind of support resistance zone, and they usually retest it. That's why we are uh, drawing them on the chart, so we can use that. Okay, I think this for this one we will have to wait. I'm not sure if I'm gonna place the trade today. The price is moving up. The best way is to see the price breaking through reaction at rotation channel, and we need to come back down under this support resistance zone. Then we gonna have a chance to open the position. But to be honest, I don't think it's gonna happen today, unless it's gonna happen during the news, because during the news, the price can move very fast, both ways, up and down. So we don't know what's gonna happen during news. But if the market's gonna be quite slow, we might have to wait for this one till Monday. So I'm not gonna save it. To be honest, I'm not gonna use it probably today. Uh, we need to wait. We need to wait because even if the price now will react at exponential moving average, we got some support resistance zone right here, so we cannot enter the position. We would have to wait for the breakout and retest. So the other scenario is if the price will drop down now, we don't have to go up. If we're gonna drop down now, I'm gonna look for retest of this area, and if we're gonna retest this area, there will be reaction. We can enter the position. Not too much space, but it should be enough for risk to reward 1 to 2, maybe 1 to 1.5, something like this. Let me just put the screenshot. I'm not gonna write description. I just want to watch that later. Mm, USD JPY. Let's leave it here. Okay, so let's move to the next one. Australian dollar, daily target. There's no targets. Everything is settled. The same on New Zealand dollar, probably. Yes, nothing there. So we got crude oil left, and then crude oil left, and gold. Crude oil is getting close to the target. This is the only target we have close by. We might have cluster. We do have a cluster. Mm, The only way we can use this target is to set order for reaction. But order for reaction at crude oil can be very risky because crude oil is moving quite fast, unexpected moves sometimes, strong impulses, so they can break through this uh, target and cluster easily. So I'm not gonna set order for reaction because 10 pips might be not enough. Remember, if you're gonna set order for 10 pips, uh, you're gonna lose 3 pips anyway because of the spread. Usually, spread on crude oil is around 3 pips. So if you're gonna set stop loss for 10 pips, after 7 pips, they're gonna cut you off. That's how it works, guys. So it's too risky. Let's leave it. I don't want to use this target for reaction. There's no other target, so nothing to do on this one. Gold. What's going on gold? Gold, we have a target, but only target we have is under the price. 4-hour time frame. What's going on here? We are in bullish market structure from 4-hour time frame, so I'm not looking for any shorts at this moment. So this target probably we will have to leave it. Maybe we can use it next week, but today there's no target from on gold. So don't worry, guys. If not now, later on there is US session, so we can find something else. So at this moment, the best is looking Euro USD. We need strong reaction of buyers right here. The best if we're gonna drop to this trend line and then we're gonna see reaction. But the price stopped at previous month high. We will see. I need strong reaction of buyers. And there's nothing else basically to do on this one here. 5 minutes time frame. 7:58. Yes. Let me just check something. Indicators list. No. 7 a.m. We have a target right here, and we got 79% of chances that the price will get to this target today. Sell all in. Yes. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, this target is round down the bottom, but not sure. 160 pips. Usually these targets are pretty easy to trade, but we need some trend line. We got breakout through this trend line, which is good. Fifteen minutes time frame. Do we have anything on this side? We got some kind of support zone for buyers. It can be risky a little bit because if we're gonna enter the position, even if the price will close under exponential moving average, this is the support zone for buyers. So we're gonna enter position here and they're gonna go up. There is a chance they might go straight to the target. I don't know, but I got problem on the way. Okay, this problem is support resistance zone. This zone can block me from getting to the target. So I don't want to take that risk. I prefer where the road is clear, nothing on the way, and then we can enter the position. If there's something on the way, I will have to leave it. So I won't be able to use this target at this moment. We only can look for Euro USD because GBP no. This one here, no USD CAD. USD CAD, yes, after the breakout, and only Euro USD. So there's not much to do this morning. I'm gonna wait for euro. I'm still waiting for the price to drop here. This is some kind of support resistance zone as well. Look at that. Uh, this is the support from today. So let them drop a little bit lower, and then after strong reaction closing above exponential moving average, I will try to enter the position to go up. 2 to 1 risk to reward. Okay, we got target above, so we are in bullish market structure. We just need to wait for the perfect conditions, and that's it. There's nothing else. Like you can see, no targets, no other targets, nothing special this morning. So we can chill. We can chill, wait for the next session. On next session, we're gonna look for price action cycle strategy, and hopefully we're gonna make some profits. I took a bet again today because yesterday I bet with my colleague that he said I won't be able to make more than $5,000 on live trading session. And yesterday on live trading session, I made $7,000. And today I took a bet again, and I'm willing to get $10,000. So I need full take profit today. So if I'm gonna enter the position, I need to get full take profit to get to $10,000 because I gonna risk 5,000. Okay, so if not this morning, hopefully later on we're gonna have opportunity to place a trade because the clock is ticking. I got not much time left to make $50,000. I don't want to rush as well, but this month already $13,000 made on live trading sessions, and till 17th I want to make $50,000. We will see. Okay, we will see. Guys, that's it for now. I don't want to hold you any longer. Just watch the euro, and that's it. Later on, we're gonna try to find some setups using price action cycles. So, guys, thank you very much for this session. I will see you later. So, have a good day. I wish you a lot of profits, and